Dyn ni symud ymlaen yn gyflym reit I ganol y prif gylch, yr adran A, y Merlod Mynydd. Yr ebolion tair mlwydd oed. Ac Julian Williams sydd ar y brig.
Ie, a mae'r het wedi dod off, odi, a dyma, wel, dim yn dod off yn, gyda Kitty, ond yr het special na wedi bod a wedi gadael y garden goch i'r enillydd y dosbarth. Yr ebol gorau tair blwyddyn ar enillydd oedd i'r perchynog John Eggleton, toli Never Say Never. Cwm hir Wildfire, y march I dad, ac hob nwyat. Oedd yr gaseg ac yn ail I cath Owen Lily wedi all Cowtom's Jubilee. Hi sydd wedi magu fe. Wedi dod yn ail yn y dosbarth bach cryf yma. Ac tad hwn.
Yn drydydd wedyn yma, oedd Alun Hughes yn dangos ar rhan Lisa Baswm. Lisa Rob Baswm Allen. Ac Ascendens Livictus.
Ie, dosbarth bach, dosbarth cryf. Ond mi'n gweld y ceffil bach hyn, yr ebol tair blwydd gorau, toli Never Say Never. Wy'n gallu gweld pam bydde Kitty wedi dewis hwn.
Ac enillydd llynedd hefyd, dosbarth deiflwydd, dan Rhydian Davies.
Wel.
Llongyfechiadau mawr I Joan Eggleton gyda toli Never Say Never yn ennill y dosbarth I ebolion tair mlwydd oed. Cael ei ddangos gen Julian Williams.
Well, Julian Williams are joining me now after running around that ring. But you have run out with a red rosette on behalf of Joan Eggleton. How are you feeling?
Well, it's fantastic because it's the third time he's won the Royal Welsh. He was champion foal with my wife. Then he won again last year, and I couldn't show him because I was in the other ring. So I've eventually been able to show him and win with him. So it's lovely.
Well, I'd say this horse is doing very well.
He is. He's on a roll. Yeah, he's doing very well, yeah.
So what have we got now more to come with him today?
It'll just be the Young Stock Championship now after this class, and then we can put him away then and, yeah, see where we go from there.
I was going to say, what are the plans for the future for this one, do you think?
Don't know. Hopefully we'll be able to use him as a stud stallion, and maybe he'll have a season or two under saddle. Who knows?
Well, we may well see him winning more red rosettes here in future years. Many, many congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi.
Thank you very much. Thank you.